So hey everyone, I just want to really quickly give a shout out to my very good friend Dan Havey and CF Ninja Hacks. I met Dan probably about 12 months ago now at an event in Boise. It was a 3-day event, and I remember thinking in that first day, because Dan was right on the other side of the room, and I thought, who is this guy? Like, he actually knows so much already. What's he doing here? And you could tell sort of like the quality of the questions that he was asking and the engagement of the room, that he really knew what he was talking about. And I think that says a lot about the guy, because he's always updating his knowledge. He's always got the answer to a problem. And when he doesn't have the answer, he'll go out and find the answer, which is kind of unique and really puts him very much in front of the game and gives me great confidence that I've got the right guy in my corner, the right funnel guy in my corner. So recently, Dan asked me how I was going with my funnels, and I'm that girl that's put it off for the last 2 years. It just all seemed way too hard for me. I didn't think I could sit there for a couple of hours and drill away in front of a computer for anything, let alone build a funnel. I always thought that I would leverage myself out of that and get someone else to do that. But now I think differently. Having had an experience with Dan building a funnel, it was actually fun, and I'm looking forward to going back and tweaking that funnel. But he asked me recently, like, how are you going with your funnel? What are you doing? And I've just gone, yeah, next question. And he says, about time you took this on. So he put me under a bit of pressure, and didn't make me cry, but walked me through this funnel in a coaching space. Like, I did the funnel and he coached me through step by step, and sort of like a virtual handhold as I grasped that step, moved to the next. And what an awesome guy, like great talent, coder, funnel builder extraordinaire. And he was able to, and it's just that connection that he has with his clients, and that cool, calm attitude that he has to the coaching space is really rare. So I really thank you so much, Dan, for helping me through that process. Certainly my team going forward, my VAs and anyone that's working with me, is coming to you for an onboarding process to answer that question, what is a funnel? Because just 30 minutes with Dan Havey and you will know what a funnel is. Not only that, you'll be able to drive the ClickFunnels bus. So thank you again, Dan. It's been an awesome experience just on that. I look forward to keeping our contacts going. I'm down here in Western Australia in Perth, and Dan's up there in the US, and it is an absolute lifeline to me on this whole thing as I'm learning on this entrepreneurial journey. And if you're not using CF Ninja Hacks, or at least having a conversation with Dan Havey, you're missing out.